Hello guys and welcome to another Adventure Story channel video. Today I have a special video from my dear friend Radoslav, and he sent me these photos from a ship he was on board. It's very nice to see another ship, how it's going inside and the condition also. This is new ship, this is built in 2015, a new company. As I have seen, this is a Greek company. And as I have seen here, this is something like soldier engine, okay, or Wärtsilä, something like that, RTA maybe. But I have never experienced with that. But it's not so big deal. Everything is mostly the same. Some design is different and tightening pressures. Everything is the same. Two-stroke engine. Very small difference, okay. If you take the manual and read everything, it's easy, okay guys. I have seen some difference in exhaust valve here. There is only two hydraulic nuts and studs which tights, smaller pipes here. Yeah, they have some difference. Very clean engine room, very good, very new ship. Only 2 years old. It's like it's everything, it's new. And here it's in purifier room. We have seen here auto backwash filters, ball and Kircher. I have seen that one. IMO pumps, same my previous type. Everything is the same, only this pipe pumps is in horizontal type, but it's same with the previous. It's a gear type. Westphalia purifiers. I don't know if it's good, Radoslav. I have experienced twice these purifiers. For 6 months I believe they work very good if the maintenance is good. Here we can see the brake of purifier. We can see also the legs here, which it's in rubber to avoid the vibration. Okay, purifier, it's a purifier. This is for water supply pipe. Almost the same. Nothing's changed since I have seen this purifier in 2006. Everything is the same. Okay, this is a fuel feed pump, main engine, IMO type. And this is the engine from the top. Okay, we have 3 injectors, each cylinder cover. Okay, this is 2 nuts as I have seen, but okay, the studs is very big. Everything, the exhaust valve, it's opening with oil, same B&W. I like the space here, that is very easy to work and you have plenty of space here. Okay, and space, it's very important to work in the engine room. It's better to have one stand here or one platform. I don't know, this is VLCC. Seems it's VLCC, Radoslav, yes? Almost the same, exactly the same. We had our generators here. Because I see from the design. Okay, the ladder maybe it's changed a little bit. 2 turbochargers. Nice, very clean. I don't know, maybe these rails, everything, the paint was made by crew. And here it's service settling tank of incinerator, okay. At the morning time, at the evening, okay, we start from the evening, the oiler and 1/3 engineer, they fill this tank, okay, for the night. And at night time, this evaporation take place and whatever water it's evaporated, okay, and the oil remains here at the middle about, or maybe up. It depends how much water is concentrated in the sludges. And morning time they drop the settling to service, and the temperature to goes about 80 degrees, because some incinerators, they have lock, they will not start if the temperature will not go to 80 degrees, because if temperature is higher, maybe you will damage the stator of the pump of incinerator. Okay, and then they start incinerator works all the day until burn this service tank. It depends if the quality of sludge is okay, and direct they fill, same day they fill up to the settling tank to stay all the day and all night and to be ready for tomorrow. Okay, this is how it works like. And from here you can control the pump, the sludge pump, which sends here. This is the valve, the filling valve here, and here this is a side glass for overflow. You can see if your service tank or settling tank overflows. From here is the heating inlet and outlet. This is the inlet of two tanks. There is some temperature controllers here, temperature sensors, pressure gauges of circulating pump. This is the pressure gauges of circulating pump. Here it's somewhere located between the pipes. And here this is sounding pipes for the service tank and sounding pipe at the top for the settling. Inspection doors. Okay, let's continue. Okay, this is the top, this is the service settling tanks here. This is the blowers. Okay, this is the boiler, supply air draft fan. Supply the air for the boilers. Okay, this is IG fans 1 and 2, and this here it's scrubber tower. It's exactly the same. Maybe this is VLCC, big ship. Top view of the engine. Okay, this is compressors. I really don't like this compressor because this compressor is not water cooled, it's air cooled. It's small compressor, but I believe this one is water cooled also. Maybe also this, but very small amount of cooling, because in other ship, in previous ship, we have very strong 4-stage compressors, very quickly fill the air, everything. This is really small compressors. I have faced this one compressors. Okay, this one it's updated version. I have one experience in one ship where the pipe, where there's small pipes and they're broken by the vibration. Next, this is some steam dumping valves here, some controllings. Maybe this is for the deck, heating for the deck, most of them. Okay, for 6 kilos, 10 kilos dumping, steam dumping system. And here it's hydroforum and drinking tank. Okay, from here the water it supplies to the engine room. Okay, one of them it's fresh water, one drinking water, and the other supplies to the galley from the freshwater tanks. The pumps fill here a level. Okay, and when we open somewhere the water, okay, it supplies from here by the pressure through the line. The pressure is kept every time in the line. Okay, so the water can travel. This is the suction point here. Okay, and the discharge is this one. I have made videos for this one. I believe I have time lapse where we check this hydroforum, we open inside. Check them please. And also we test also pressure gauges and pressure switch. Very simple system, nothing here. difficult. And here it's mineralizer, which give minerals to the water, also must be inspected, and I have made a video also for that one, a separate video. Okay, this is some kinds of pump. I believe this is low temperature cooling pumps, 3 of them. And next we have evaporator. In the last ship I have the same type of evaporator. Okay, this is Sasakura, same, exactly the same. And here it's atmospheric condenser, and there at the back maybe it's the gasket tank. And here we have 3-way valve, okay, which adjust the temperature in high temperature system and low temperature jacket system. It connected to this set point, okay, box Nakakita. And here I believe we are almost in the bottom somewhere. This is feed pumps, 3 boiler feed pumps. Okay, you can work the system with one, each one. Also you can work with 2 pumps. And here also first time I see this hydraulic unit, these pumps, to be located down in engine room. Okay, most of them they're located in the upper deck or sunken deck, and they have a separate room. First time I see to be located in engine room. This is the remote control valves, okay, system. The one who chief officer operate from his cargo control room. And this is the injector cooling, okay. This is a cooler, and also at the top you can see the injector, which produce the vacuum inside the condenser, okay. The steam is passing at the middle here and have high velocity and produce a draft from here and drag whatever air have inside, okay, and pull it out, take out, and easy the vacuum is obtained. Here you can see the vacuum. Where is the vacuum? Where is the vacuum? Okay, here is the pressure, it's not working now, and the vacuum is here, condenser vacuum. This is the pressure of injector, air injector steam pressure. Same type, everything. I see the ship is Korean built, same type exactly. And this is turbine. Okay, this is Shinko. I recognize. I'm very satisfied with Shinko. If you make a proper maintenance, maybe you will never need to touch them. Only to replace some oils, some mechanical seals, okay, if the time it's passing, and some grease, some oil lubricating, and monitor them. But it's very nice system and durable. And here this is the control panel of the Shinko pump, the turbine pump, where we can see the bearing temperatures, upper side, bulkhead, pump casing, upper bearing, low side, pump bearing, and we can see they have posted here the trips, the alarms, and what temperature is coming, turbine body temperature, and here it's some alarms, some indications, okay, which have also RPM meter. And here, what is this? If it's running. Here is also some gauges. We see the steam chest, the ceiling steam. This is another word, gland steam. Suction of the pump, discharge, exhaust, and lube oil. As you can see, the pump is not working here. And this is another view to the engine. And here we have the condenser, the main condenser, the main engine. Here, some ventilations coming down. And there is some pumps. I cannot see from here what pumps is this. Maybe it's fire pumps. No, most of the pumps is here. Fire pumps. This is the bilge. Fire pumps, ejector pumps, main cooling seawater pumps, exactly the same. All the tanker ships is the same. And here is some control panel for the pumps and also for the cooling system, from where you can see exactly and better what is happening with water. Some new control panels, VSD for seawater cooling pump. Every time something new coming to marine engineering, and they fitted some new kind of installations, but most of the same, they have same working type. Okay, and this is a view to the deck. Very big deck. I don't know, this is 150,000. No, at the middle have these lights. Maybe it's VLCC. It seems. You have a nice view, Radoslav. Okay guys, that is it. There is no any pictures remain. We see it all. Little bit about how it's another tankers. Most of the tankers is the same. It's copy paste. Nothing changed, because through the years the systems have been worked and have been tested, and this is the best kind of installations how you will determine. Maybe it will be better in other companies, or will be less. Maybe in other companies you will sit on the computer and you can check everything by there. Also you can operate the valves. But in my experience in the tankers, I have never seen like that, to operate some bilge pump from the computer. No, I didn't see. I have seen in passenger ship where I worked before. Also, I have seen these machineries to work from the computer, and it's very interactive, and you can understand little bit different how this equipment is working and what to do if something is in trouble. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Don't forget your comments, subscriptions and your likes. Thank you. Bye bye.